Often we hope for help to come from the outside, somebody to pop up in our lives and solve a problem for us, give us the solution. But does it really work? How can you really solve your problems, overcome your challenges, overcome your obstacles? Stay tuned and get some answers that may really help you to make your life go like this. Hi, my name is Lotfi, and in this video I would like to talk about help. I often said that it's a sign of strength to ask for help. But then there's a slight problem here. It's not a sign of strength if you say, "Oh God, please solve all my problems," or "Dear friend, solve my problem." That is not a sign of strength. That's actually a sign of weakness. It's actually saying, I'm incapable of leading my own life, of managing my life, of being the captain of my own life. So what can you do? How should you do it then? What do I mean then by asking for help as a sign of strength? Well, the kind of help I'm referring to is asking somebody to share with you how he or she solved maybe a similar problem. Maybe not exactly the same, or even a totally different problem. And then listen to how that person actually dealt with the issue. How that person went from being in a difficult situation, maybe not knowing at all how to get out of it, maybe not even seeing any light at the end of the tunnel, and then finally getting out of that tunnel, getting out of that situation. And really ask somebody, what went through the person? How did the person deal with his emotions, with his feelings, with his fears, with his thoughts? How did the person look at the obstacle, or obstacles, plural? That is how we actually learn. Why do I say this? It's not so that you can copy the person. The idea here is that you listen, and like you have the expression reading between the lines, you can also listen between the sentences. Get a feeling, get a bigger picture. See how when people change their perspective on things, they actually start to see possibilities, opportunities, solutions even. When I work with my clients today, it's very different from what I used to do back in the days when I started coaching. That was almost 12 years ago. Back then, as I'm very resourceful and as I'm very good at seeing solutions for problems, I used to jump on the people and tell, "Oh, you should do this, you should do that." I was telling them what I would do, but not telling them that I would do it this way. I would tell them how to do things, how to solve things. I would push them to see the solutions the way I see them. And often didn't work. So I was really a horrible coach. You can do this when you work in a corporation and you take your teammate or your employee and you tell them, "Okay, look, this is how you can solve it," because you just care about the end result right now. It doesn't work long term because you don't teach the person to actually start looking at things from different perspectives and start to transform his view